How is everybody doing today? I'm back again with another video for you guys and gals. And real quick, today what I have for everyone is my unboxings and first impressions of a few affordable cases and screen protectors for the Essential Phone PH1. And in particular, let me say these names first so I don't mess it up while I'm going on. So, real quickly, what we have is we got the Foluu tempered glass screen protector. I got two packs of this. Can't ever have too many screen protectors just in case. Then we have the New Frontier Wireless Slim Fit Armor Hybrid Case. So, good stuff there. Really good stuff. Then we have the Boonix clear Tpu case. Alright. And then we have the fashion case. Or in particular, this is also, wait, where is it? Thought I had everything pulled up here. 1, 2, 3. This is from a company called ZMJ Beauty. And it's the fashion case. Also from the Essential Phone PH1. And then, lastly, we have another clear case and screen protector here. And this one is also from Foluu. Okay? So, as you guys can see, got a bunch of cases and screen protectors for the Essential Phone PH1. And really, guys, when you have a phone that is this expensive, I said expensive. I don't even know why I said that. Let me get this box out of here. When you have a phone that's this expensive and you want to keep it looking pristine and keep that resale value up, because who knows, I may sell this eventually down the line, or I may keep it. It might become a main daily driver device. But when you have a premium device and you want to protect it, screen protectors and cases are essential. I like what I did there. Essential phone, essential screen protector and cases. I'm not funny today. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this stuff. Now, the screen protector I may put on off camera, and I may talk about that in my full review of the device. But these cases, I'm going to take my time and work through these cases. So each week, I'm going to review a different case. But we're just going to quickly unbox all of them here for you guys. So, real nice tempered glass screen protector here. I probably won't even take this out the package. Comes with everything you need. Microfiber cleaning cloth. Wet and dry wipes. Really good stuff there. And let's get into this first case. I thought I cut all the tape and stuff off camera. I did. So, no, I did not. Where did I put my knife? Here it is. Gosh, I was trying to make this video quick. Get in here. There we go. Alright, so this is called the Vili, I don't know how you say that, case. And this one also was from Foluu. So, getting into this package here. Alright. You guys can see, let me get y'all all the packaging. Pretty much all we have here is a clear Tpu case. And I like these clear Tpu cases. Let's try it on real quick. Slide this stuff to the side. I like these clear Tpu cases because they allow you to show off the beauty of your device. So now this is not clean. I still got a lot of fingerprints here. But essentially what I would do is I would just give it a nice wipe down then drop it in, and then there's the essential phone with the case on. And you can see, got all of your cutouts here. Alright, so cutouts for your camera, cutouts for your fingerprint sensor, cutouts for your back microphone. No cutouts for the mods. So if you have the 360 camera mod or any other mod like that, it won't work with this case. But you got pretty much full protection here. Cutouts for your speaker, cutouts for the micro USB charging port, cutouts for the other microphone here. And you see all of your buttons are covered. And it still gives the device, maximum protection, but all of your buttons still stay pretty clicky. So you can see quickly could still launch the camera there. Not a problem. Volume up and down work without issue. Fingerprint sensor works without issue. So everything works. It's real nice. And I like this one. Now you can see the fingerprints a little bit more with this case on. I really got to give it a wipe down before I pop this case on. But this is a really nice case. Really nice. Okay, and this was the Foluu from Foluu. If I got that correct. I'm pretty sure I'm going to butcher some of these. All links to these affordable cases will be down below in the video description as well. So that was number one. Let's pop this guy off here. And you can see, comes off real easily. Really nice. And you got a little bit of protectiveness for the screen, so I can put it face down and won't mess the screen up. So it's got a little bit of razority there. Really nice. Up next, let's take a look at the Fashion series. Okay. So, pretty basic packaging as I drop stuff off the table. Alright. Okay. So this one feels real nice. Got like your faux leather notebook pattern on the back here. Really nice. So you got like a leather texture here, and then you got your like vinyl texture there. Really nice pattern on the inside. And let's throw it on real quick and see what it looks like. Let me pick that case up though. Let's get this. Dropping stuff off the table. And we'll look at this one next, just because it fell. So, here we go. Now, the case is not clean, but what's really nice is you get maximum protection. So, and it adds a different look to your device. So, real quickly, pop the case on here. And man, that adds a whole new feel to the device itself. And it looks really good. Now, the phone is dirty. I gotta give it a wipe down, but it looks good. All of your cutouts are still there. Fingerprint sensor, cameras, flash, microphones, USB Type-C, speaker grills, other mic. Really nice. And you can see, I don't know how well you can see it, but you got a little bit of protection for putting the phone face down. So you're not really touching the screen. So that's really, really nice. And everything still works. Fingerprint sensor, power buttons. Now, this one's a little bit more firm to push on the power buttons, but it still works. I think I would prefer the other one in terms of clickiness, but still really nice. And everything still works. Volume up and down, still work. Not a problem. So this was the Fashion case. Alright. So, let's move on to the next one. Pull this off real quick. Alright. Throw that one to the side. And up next, let's do the Boonix. Boy, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Probably not. Alright. Companies, if you guys watch these unboxing videos, one nice thing that you could do that will help us reviewers out is, you know, provide some pronunciation in your product display or your Amazon page. Again, all of this was purchased via Amazon. So you guys can see this is another transparent case here, and just slaps on, and that's how it looks. So I apologize for all the fingerprints on the device, guys, but you can see buttons are all covered now. You get a really nice tactile click even though the buttons are covered, so the button pressiveness is pretty good on this one. Still got the cutouts for your fingerprint sensor and everything works really, really good. You got some razivity there, so when I put it face down, it's not really touching the screen. Really nice, really nice. Cutouts for your cameras, cutouts for your flash. Again, this is another clear case without cutouts for the mods here, so the modules won't work with this case. But everything else is really, really good. Cutouts for your microphone, cutouts for the USB Type-C, and the speaker grill. Really good stuff here. Really nice, clear case. And this was the Boonix again. So, alright, let's move on here. Let me pop this one off. And also, I'm a really big fan of how easily these cases are to put on and take off. It's always a big plus. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Okay, good stuff here. Alright. Cracking this one. And again, this one is similar to the fashion case. So you can see you got your nice fabric material. It's like a suede material here. I'm pretty sure it's fake though. Nice little texture on this one. Nice little pattern on the inside to protect your device. Let's pop it on real quick. Now, I already said all the names of all these cases before I got into them, and already I forgot the name of this one, so yeah. If you're watching this and you scrub through a little bit, go back to the beginning, get all the case names. Also, all the links for the cases will be down below in the video description. Now this one's a little bit tougher to put on here. Let's see. Go in top side here. Yeah, this one's just a little bit tougher. But I feel like we're going to get super max protection on this. There we go. And we're in. So, that was really, really difficult. And wow. But you can see it looks good. And you get maximum protection. You got a decent amount of razivity. So when I put it down, we're definitely not touching the screen there. But that one was really hard to get on. It's probably going to be super hard to take off. Got all your buttons are covered. Now I like how they added a nice little texture to the volume up and down buttons for this one. But that power button, a little hard to press. But still works. Fingerprint sensor, still works. All your cutouts, really good. Really nice texture on this. I like the feeling hand on this case. Volume buttons. Okay, so I still got really good responsiveness on the volume buttons, but the power button now is a little bit mushy. But still good. I like the look and feel. Really good quality case here. Might have to break that button in a little bit before I get some of that feeling back. But let's keep it moving. Alright. I think that does it for all the cases. Alright, so now real quickly, let me see how easy this is to take off. Or hard rather, let's see. Alright, so there's one side. And let me try not to break my phone. There's the other side. Okay, so a lot easier to take off than it was to put on. Really hard to put that one on, but came off rather easily. Really good case there. A little bit mushy power button, but really good stuff. And now let's take a look at the Foluu tempered glass screen protectors. Again, I'm probably going to put these on off camera, but it comes with everything that you should need in the package. So, got our microfiber cleaning cloth and our wet and dry wipes. Okay. Got our stickies and another microfiber cleaning cloth and wet and dry wipes, because this is a 2-pack. Then we got our screen protector here, and then we got an extra one down there. So let's just see what this screen protector looks like. Alright, so let's see if we can just pull it out real fast. Alright, so that's the screen protector right there. Gotta say, I'm really liking this. I'm a big fan of the edge-to-edge screen protector protection. I don't know if you noticed, but I had a ton of these for the G6, and I'm a big fan of this style. And where did I put my Stylo 3? Whoops. If you look at my Stylo 3 here, same style of screen protector, so we got full edge-to-edge protection, and it is tempered glass. I'm a big fan of this style. So, once this goes on, I line it up, and everything is fully protected. And it's a lot harder to misalign these than it is the ones without that edge trimming. The ones without edge trimming, I find that those are a lot harder to line up. These ones with the edges and the full protection, it seems a little bit easier to me. But really nice screen protector there, tempered glass, good stuff. Now, I'm not going to put this on in this video. I'm going to put it on after I stop this video, and I'll talk about it more in the full review of the Essential phone before we dive into the full review. Anyways, guys, let me just put this off to the side real quick. Actually, we can leave this on the table, because when this video is over, we're going to get to putting this on. So, anyways, that pretty much does it for this video. Again, this has been some real nice, affordable cases and screen protectors for the Essential phone PH1. If you guys found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys get notified when I post new videos. As always, all links to everything you guys saw in the video will be located down below in the video description. So if anything in this video has piqued your interest, including the Essential phone itself, all links to where to purchase this stuff at some really great prices will be down below in the video description. So it's going to be like a one-stop shop down there. And as always, guys and gals, if you guys know anyone out there looking for some high-quality, affordable devices and products at some really great prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. Real quickly, the screen protector, we're going to take a portion of the full review to talk about my experience with the screen protector when we do the Essential phone full review. Each one of these cases, I'm going to take my time with. I'm going to take a week with each of these cases and come out with my full reviews on the cases. Should be real quick. You know, what I like about them, what I dislike, what I feel can be improved. But I'm going to take a week with each case and come out with my full review on each case. So you guys be on the lookout for that. Anyways, again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace. Oh, and this whole video is being recorded on the 21 megapixel camera on the Moto X Pure Edition at 720p. So please let me know how the video looks, and please let me know how the audio sounds, because no microphone hooked up on this one. Alright, peace everybody.